Let's take a quick peek at our Nvidia chart, looking at the monthly chart. We have been on a downtrend, but struggling to break below and hold under that 100 level. I've been talking about this for several weeks now. This 90 level right here is a strong support on the monthly. So we are going to be watching for a bounce if we do get in and get that gap fill. That gap fill is going to be about 105 to that 95 area. So let's see if we can get into that this week. Looking at the weekly chart, we still look like we're in a bull flag. We've kind of come down and tested it a couple times. We tried to break below and popped right back up above. We need under that 102.50 to get into that gap fill and break out of this. This could just be a descending channel at this point, but we're still watching to see if we just keep coming below and bouncing back up as it goes down a little bit lower, right? So it might be some movement up and down instead of just a straight line, right? We don't typically move anywhere in a straight line. So we're watching that one on the weekly. And then as far as the daily chart, we're sitting right there at that gap, just sitting, right? So we need to get that push down to fill. We've been talking about this for a couple months now, it feels like. But we are getting really, really close. That 105, every time we come down to that 105, 106 area, we bounce significantly. So if we get the push below that 100, we could see it flush and fill that gap fairly quickly. So we do have some strong support here. So I will be anticipating a possible bounce around that 90 and 95 area should we get that sometime, hopefully in the next week or two. So just be mindful. Again, I talked about those leaps that I will be grabbing. If we come on down here, I'm definitely going to be adding to my leap position. This is going to be a great bounce area, and we could see a lot more upside to follow with earnings coming into this month as well.